today I thought I'd just walk you around one of the cars. I haven't shown much of my car because it's been in a million bits, but now it's all back together, it's running. It's on a sort of base map between 16 and 20 psi, nothing too leery, so it's not that quick at the minute, but it's still not slow. So yeah, it's just there. I'll walk you around it, let you know a few specs, and let me know what you think. Here it is, all in its Red Bull PlayStation livery. Yes, been painted in Ford Spirit Blue. It needs another paint, it's not great, but it'll do for now. We've got the GC Custard front splitter with a Backyard Civic air dam. Backyard Civic rear wing, which is massive, but does its job and looks cool. We've got a full 3-inch exhaust system, 1552 Turbo Mac wheels with Nankang NS2R tyres. That's about it for the outside. It's got big 6-pot calipers with 360mm discs that are 32mm wide. So that's what she looks like from the outside. Inside, we've got a Merco wraparound seat, which makes getting in and out of this car an absolute nightmare. Motormech steering wheel. We have AFR gauge and boost gauge and oil pressure. That's about it for the interior. We also have JP Cage's half cage hiding in there. A little bit of trim falling down there, we won't worry about that. It's got a Motormech GT3 passenger seat, which will be going soon because that's going in Richards Leon. TRS harnesses. Yeah, it is what it is. It's quite quick, handles pretty well. Hopefully it stays in one piece. It brakes a lot. Yeah, I'll just show you under the bonnet. Here we are under the bonnet. Forged 1.8 turbo, stock bore size, forged rods, Supertech valves, springs, titanium retainers, That's about it inside the engine from what I can remember. All new bearings, all new rings obviously. Grams inlet, custom exhaust manifold and downpipe with a GTX 3076R. Go faster bits external wastegate and recirc valve. All custom boost hoses and stuff like that. There is a Creations Motorsport intercooler in there with the holes cut out so that it gets a little bit more cold air. Yeah, it's not the highest spec car in the world, but it goes quite well. It's got a massive Pro-Ram filter on it. I mean, this thing is humongous to suck all that yummy cold air in. Yeah, the car's not finished. There's a few bits that need finishing on it. A few bits I'm not quite happy with. But all in all, it goes, it works, it drives. Hopefully, when all this pandemic stuff goes away, we can get on a track day and stretch its legs a bit, and hopefully it will stay in one piece and not die instantly. So yeah, you can see it's not the quietest in here, but it has still got most of its interior, so it's not terrible. But yeah, the exhaust is really noisy. As I say, it boosts depending on what I have it set to, between 16 and 20 psi. Pulls quite well, but by no means this is the final tune. Tuned by a good friend of mine, Chris at Tuning Technics. I'll leave a link to his Insta at the bottom. But yeah, there's just a little blast. I'm not going to go crazy. The engine's warmed up, but I'm still not going mad. But yeah, little tickle in second gear. Sure how the sound came out in that last one. I've got a GoPro here. Basically I was just saying I'm going to give it a little blast, not too much, just to pull it on boost a little bit. This is on between 16 and 20 psi depending on what I switch it to. It was mapped by a good friend of mine, Chris at Tuning Technics. I'll leave a link to him down there. What else? Yeah, this car's got decent coilovers. It's got cookbot bushes on the front and power flex, I believe, on the back of the front arms. It's got the cookbot adjustable rear arms. Basically any bush that can be done is done. It's got Vibratex engine mounts all round. Yeah, it's got most of the things that it needs to be a decent track car, just a bit too much weight at the minute. But I quite like having a full interior and being comfortable in it. We'll have a walk round of one of the other cars in a week or so. Gareth's car's currently tucked up for the winter and Richard's car's not finished yet, but I'm sure we could probably take the cover off the Golf or something and give you a walk around all the specs of that, and the Leon you will see getting built anyway. So that's it for me today. Like, subscribe, follow. Thanks for watching.